I'm going to move on to Helen. Wait, why? Helen Qiu. Why can I not suddenly not allow her to speak? Oh my God, did I freeze? Oh, I froze.
Susanna, we can
hear you.
Oh my gosh, okay. Okay. Thank you. Helen Qiu, can you speak? I froze there for a moment. Helen, would you like to tell us where you're from? Unmute yourself. Tell us where you live, and you have 2 minutes. Helen, are you able to? There you go. Nope, you're still muted. Helen? All right, I'll move on to the next person.
Hello.
There you go. Go ahead.
Thank you. Thank you, Susanna. I feel very distressed to attend this meeting because Charles King and Erin Drinkwater and Shane Cox, Lanani, they're all given unrestricted amount of time to speak and talking down to every community member who are present here. And whatever we said do not matter. It seems like we are having a show here, that we are just speaking out what we care about, and then you guys are speaking on different spectrum, not responding to what we said, continuing your path, and afterwards, you guys will say, we hear from the community, and then we communicate it. This is not called communication. This is called announcement. Because there was no engagement. There was no engagement, Susanna. There was no engagement from DSS, from the community. Our community did not have a chance to tell the DSS, no, don't proceed. And guess what? DSS just continued to proceed. And Shane and Charles are just lawfully talking about plans of how to help people, as if we don't like to help people. No, we care about people too. We do. But guess what? We cannot have 10 shelters within 1 mile distance. So that is what we are talking about. Why are we not addressing the problem? Why are we talking about whether we want to care about homeless people? Everybody wants to care about homeless people. Who among you can raise your hand and say, I don't want to care about homeless people? Everybody who is here, 178 people here, we all care about homeless people. That is not the issue. The real issue is our community cannot take any more homeless shelters. If you want to make the money off homeless shelters, do not make it off our community. I don't mind if you want to make money off it. That's totally fine, because everybody got to make money, right? But don't make money off our community. That is our clear message, and we want to acknowledge that. And I want this message to be recorded, and everybody will need to hear that.
Thank you. Your time is up, but this is your opportunity to tell us how you feel, and you did, which is great. Yes, it's true that our panelists are speaking more than the questions, but they're here. We're not going to get to, that's what they're here for. They're here to provide information, and I can understand if you feel that that they're pitching you, but that's how this goes. We're going to move on to Judy.